Hi, I'm Will with Baird Foundation Repair, and today I'm here to share how you can safeguard your home's foundation as the Texas temperatures start to climb. Over the last couple of years, we've had unusually hot and dry summers with below average rainfall, and during this time, most homeowners see their lawns slowly turn from green to brown. And while the foundation of a home may be less visible, there are serious problems that can occur when soils are so dry. A severe drought can cause the soil underneath your home to dry out, resulting in shrinking or cracking. When this occurs, your foundation becomes vulnerable to settlement. You may start to notice things like sloping floors and cracks in walls, both inside and out, and doors and windows that do not shut properly. Unfortunately, by the time you notice these problems, it's time for repairs. So how can you be proactive and help avoid some of these problems? First, don't wait until a drought hits to focus on watering. Instead, keep the soil moist year-round by laying a soaker hose around your home, a few feet away from the foundation. The hose can provide a consistent flow of water rather than a sudden gush, and should run for a couple of hours every few days depending on dryness. Remember, it's about maintaining moisture. Be sure not to overwater. Second, use mulch and landscaping near your foundation, as it can slow the evaporation of moisture. Third, are there any trees within a few feet of your home? They may be too close, causing large amounts of moisture to be pulled away from your foundation. Root barriers can sometimes be installed to combat this. Taking a few preventative measures year-round can help you offset foundation problems caused by dry conditions. If you've observed signs of damage, don't wait. Give Baird Foundation Repair a call today to schedule your free inspection.